Hey everyone, Luke here. Back for the first maintenance wash on the Corvette. We did ceramic coated recently. This was G Technic Crystal Serum Ultra, and we topped that with XO B4, also by G Technic. Just want to show you how crazy hydrophobic, as far as water beading, this is, and some of the benefits of what they call self-cleaning properties. Most of the dirt, this has been to the track, so a little dirty, but most of it's just going to rinse off with the pressure washer. So just watch how crazy this water behavior is. Yeah, water just bouncing on it. Beautiful. Love it. That's what you're looking for in a hydrophobic ceramic coating. You can contact me through my website if you're in Santa Cruz or Santa Cruz, California area. HagenSurfaceProtection.com. You can find all my information there. All right. Talk to you soon.